The Algorand cryptographic money is the new age blockchain network. The innovation is as of now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation is that it takes care of the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's versatility while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is expected that this new advanced organization will work on the effectiveness of the normal monetary framework, and its convention will work with the smooth dissemination of monetary standards. Our continuous ALGO to USD cost update shows the ongoing Algorand cost is 22 cents USD. According to our Algorand cost forecast, ALGO cost is supposed to have a 8.6% decline and drop as low as by April 2, 2023. Our investigation of the specialized pointers recommends that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 54%, with a trepidation and veracity list score of 63. Over the most recent 30 days, Algorand has had 13 30th green days and 6.64% cost unpredictability. Algorand authentic as per the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Algorand is $22 cents, and ALGO is by and by position no. 39 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Algorand is $1,537,206,496.06, with a market cap of $7,121,971,145 ALGO. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 2 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ALGO has been in a decent vertical pattern, consequently expanding by 8.54%. Algorand has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of ALGO has expanded by 14.44%, adding a Goliath normal measure of 3 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Algorand will be 31 cents. The most extreme level that the ALGO cost can reach is 38 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 32 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 50% by ALGO value estimate for February 2023 in view of the value variances of Algorand toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 25 cents in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 22 cents and at 25 cents. Separately, possible return on initial capital investment, 0% by WALK 2023. Algorand Value Gauge digital money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the ALGO cost in WALK 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 24 cents, while the greatest could reach 26 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around 25 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 3.8% by ALGO Value Gauge for April 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value changes of Algorand in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal ALGO rate they foresee may be around 26 cents in April 2023. It can drop to 25 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 28 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 11.5% by May 2023. Algorand value estimate around mid-year 2023, the ALGO cost will be exchanged at 27 cents overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Algorand worth to 29 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 25 cents in May 2023. Expected return for capital invested. 15.4% by ALGO value figure for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Algorand costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 28 cents. The least and pinnacle ALGO rates may be 27 cents and 30 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment. 19.2% by July 2023. Algorand value estimate. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ALGO cost will be around 28 cents. In July 2023, the Algorand cost might drop to at least 27 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 31 cents in July 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment. 23.1% by ALGO value gauge for August 2023. Having broke down Algorand costs, digital currency specialists expect that the ALGO rate could arrive at a limit of 33 cents in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 28 cents. For August 2023, the gauge normal of Algorand is almost 29 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment. 30.8% by September 2023. Algorand value conjecture around mid-2023, the Algorand cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 29 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the ALGO cost could vary somewhere in the range of 28 cents and 34 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 34.6% by ALGO value figure for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Algorand worth won't dip under at least 29 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is 36 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 30 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment. 42.3% by November 2023. Algorand value gauge digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of ALGO costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Algorand will be around 37 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 30 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 31 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment. 46.1% by ALGO value conjecture for December 2023 in view of the value changes of Algorand toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 32 cents in December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 31 cents and at 38 cents individually. Likely return on initial capital investment. 50% by Algorand value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Algorand will be around 46 cents. The greatest expected ALGO cost might be around 55 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 47 cents in 2024. Algorand value expectation 2025 in view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Algorand. In 2025, ALGO is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 63 cents and 78 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 65 cents. Algorand value expectation 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Algorand by crypto specialists. The accompanying most extreme and least ALGO costs are normal in 2027, $1.63 and $1.38. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $1.43. Algorand value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the changes of Algorand. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical ALGO cost will be around $2.05. It could drop to at least $1.98. However, it actually could reach $2.41 all through 2028. Algorand value expectation 2029 consistently. Cryptographic money specialists plan gauges at the cost of Algorand. It is assessed that ALGO will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $2.81 and $3.36 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $2.90 during the year. Algorand value expectation 2030. Digital currency experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Algorand's cost. A year 2030 not set in stone by the most extreme ALGO cost of $4.87. In any case, its rate could drop to around $3.98.